Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. So, to change the volume we need to use touch controls, what located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have SKULLCANDY logo and this is touch areas. So now let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press 2 times at your right earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2. As you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower the volume, you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you can see, I lower the volume with it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!